What I want to show you all now is going to be the alerts tab and how to set up alerts for different underlyings. So in order to access that in the bottom or along the right side panel here, it's going to be this icon that kind of looks like a timer. So this is the alerts feature. So if we go ahead and select that, this will bring up a menu on our right-hand side panel. This is going to be where you're setting your alerts from. So if you wanted to set an alert on a specific symbol, you just go ahead and type that symbol in the box here. We'll go ahead and go with Tesla. And then you can change how it's alerted on, whether that be last price, bid, or ask. In this case, we'll go ahead and leave it as last. And maybe we wanted to set an alert for when Tesla reaches a price greater than $240. So we leave the operator here, leave that set to greater than, but you do have the ability to change it to less than, again, completely based on how you want to set the alert. We're going to leave it as greater than here. And then you can set your threshold as well. So in this case, we'll set a price of 240. So we want to be alerted when Tesla reaches a price, when the last price on Tesla reaches 240 or higher, or I'm sorry, higher than 240. So if you're looking to create this alert now, go ahead and hit this blue button here that says create alert. And just like that, now we have the alert at the bottom of the screen here. Now, depending on your notification preferences, you should receive, when this alert triggers, you should receive a notification on the platform itself, as well as an email, and then also a text message if you have SMS notifications enabled. If you're looking to delete the alert, you can go ahead and click on this little trash icon to the right, and that will go ahead and delete the alert. Dario, yes, I see your question here about can alerts be forwarded to cell phone? So that's going to depend on a couple things here. If you have, there's a couple different ways you could get the notification on the cell phone. If you have email notifications enabled, or if you have our mobile app downloaded and you have push notifications turned on, you will get either an email notification or push notification, or both if you have them both enabled when your alert triggers. Okay, so how to switch between trading accounts. If you're looking to switch between trading accounts here, what you can do is on the left side of our screen here, we have our little account icon. It's this little purple circle with a number displayed there. If you're looking to switch between trading accounts, actually, you know what, just so it's easier to see, let's go ahead and actually pop out this left side panel. So you could hit this arrow in the bottom left corner. This is going to pop out the left side panel so you can read everything. From here, both of your accounts should be displayed. If you're looking to switch between trading accounts, so let's say maybe we want to see the positions and only place trades in the 08 account. What we can do to see the positions is check the box here. We'll uncheck the box for the 01 account. And then if we wanted to place trades only in the 08 account, you can press the T shield here. And then just like that, now we have the 08 account selected. If you wanted to switch back in terms of the account that you're trading in, it's going to be important that you have the T shield selected for the account that you desire to place the trade in. So we'll switch it back to the 01, and maybe we wanted to see positions across both accounts. Check the box next to the 01 account. And you'll notice now in the middle of the screen, we have all the positions displayed across that are open across both of these accounts. And that's denoted by the little icons here. So in the 01 account, it's the purple circle. In the 08 account, it's denoted by the pink triangle. And one more thing here before we wrap up, everybody, I do want to go over how you can adjust different settings on the platform, things along those lines. So this will be the final thing that we cover. If you're looking to change the settings on the web-based platform here, what you can do is shift your focus toward the upper right corner of the screen where you have this settings button. So from the settings menu here, what you're going to get is you get a settings window that pops up, and you have a few different options for what you can edit in turn on the left side of your screen here. So if you're looking to maybe switch between accounts, if you have multiple accounts, or maybe you wanted to deselect an account that's showing, maybe you have multiple accounts and you only want maybe one or two of them showing up, you can go ahead and click on this accounts button here. So go ahead and click accounts. From here, this is where all your current accounts will be displayed. So right now we have the 08 and 01 account showing, both with those checkboxes marked next to them. We do have privacy mode enabled. All of that can be edited here from the accounts section. You can also change your header detail. So right now, what the header detail refers to as well, this is going to be what you see at the top of your platform here. So that's going to be like option BP, stock BP. Well, those are constant, but like today's trades versus day trade counter, this is what your header detail entails. So again, going up to the settings menu, if you're looking to edit the header detail, from accounts, header detail, we get the list of what's displayed versus what is not displayed. On the platform, you'll notice we have P&L day and P&L year to date displayed, but maybe you carried positions over from year to year, and the P&L year to date is reset, and you still want to see your profit and loss for the full time those positions have been opened. What you can do is add the P&L open. So in order to add something, you just left click and drag. So left click and hold, and then drag it from the not displayed side to the displayed side. And this will display in the order based on which you have this list ordered. So if you want it to be one of the first things you have displayed, go ahead and drag it to the top of the list. You'll notice now at the header top, we have the top of the header, we have P&L open displayed there. And just a few more things here in the settings menu. We also have the ability to, we have a general tab here. So from the general tab, what you can do, this is where you can change it from dark to light mode. If you prefer light mode on the platform right now, we have dark mode selected, but if you wanted to change it to light, go ahead and go up here with the theme, click the drop down menu, and then you can go ahead and switch that over to light mode. It's a little bright when we switch it, so I don't want to strain anybody's eyes, so I'm not going to switch it right now. But if you wanted to switch over to light mode, you can go ahead and do that here. And then you can also adjust your landing page. So when you first pull up my.tastytrade.com, right now we have the landing page set as the dashboard, but let's say maybe you didn't want to see the dashboard and then you just wanted to jump right into trading. So landing page, click the drop down, and you could go ahead and actually just select trading from here. Now, when we load up the platform, each time we sign in, it'll take us right away to the trading tab. And then finally here, this is the last thing I wanted to point out here in the settings menu. So we also have the ability to adjust the columns that are displayed in our positions tab. So right now, if you go to click on positions on the left side of the screen, this is going to be where you can edit all the different columns that you will see here on the positions tab. So you'll notice right now we have trade price, mark, P&L open, P&L day, theta, delta, so on and so forth, all displayed here. If there's something that you want to add there, that is going to be done from that positions menu in the settings. So settings, from positions, you go to columns, it's already selected. And then from here, this is where you can add different headings. So maybe we wanted to see the net liquidity of a position, so the net liq value of a position. What we can do, again, left click and hold and drag it over to the displayed side. Net liq is displayed at the top. And then once we exit out of the settings, you'll see here net liq is the very first column that is displayed.